What snack should I get? Oh, the Lindt chocolate looks alright, but nah, those 2-minute noodles they're fucking amazing, bro. I'm gonna get that. $5. $5.
Yep, just $5, mate.
Here you go. So, can I have my noodles now?
No,
What are you talking about? I just paid you $5. It's $5, right?
I don't care.
Fine, cunt. I'll get them myself. Fuck. The fuck? What the hell is that? I can't get through. Fine, I'll fuck your machine up right now, bro. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
I'm a child. Eating didn't seem like